Good morning friends. Welcome back to yet another sessions of experts advice on the markets for today. The equity markets extended the gains for the third consecutive session and closed near the record high at 7725 with an intraday high of 7732. For today's trading session, Nifty is expected to trade between 7690 7760 with near support at 7700 and near resistance at 7735. We can bet on the certain stocks for the day. Our first pick would be multi-commodity exchange, which is recommended to buy above 675, and it should be hold for the intraday targets of 690, 700 with SL of 660. Technically, stock has given daily level breakout and trading with RSI value of 76, and MACD is also showing the positive divergence. We are expecting near-term target of 710, 740 in coming days. And our second pick for today would be Oracle Financial Services. It is recommended to buy around 3300, and it should be hold for the intraday targets of 3340 and 3400 with SL of 3260. The stock has shown a good rally on previous trading session and expected to maintain the momentum as RSI showing strong strength in the stock. Now moving on the futures stock, we can bet on Sisa Sterlite futures. It can be buy above 312 and it should be hold for the intraday targets of 316 and 320 with SL of 308. The stock has shown a smart recovery in previous 3 trading sessions after profit booking, and we are expecting to maintain the upside rally further. Technically, stock is trading with a RSI of 69 and MACD is also showing the positive divergence on the stock. Now coming up to our final pick of the day, we can bet on Bharat Forge future. It can be buy above 667 and it should be hold for the intraday targets of 675 and 685 with SL of 655. Technically, stock is trading with RSI of 60 and hammering continuous new highs. We are expecting the targets of 690, 710 in coming days. This was all from our side. We wish you all a happy trading session ahead. Thank you.